Hey guys, this is an update on my giveaway. So some people don't have Instagram, and one of the rules is you have to follow me on Instagram. So if you don't have Instagram, you don't have to follow me. But if you do have Instagram, make sure to go follow me. That'll just give you a higher chance of winning this giveaway. But you don't have to follow me. You can still win. So yeah guys, bye.